Here we have a 2016 Chrysler 200S, 33,000 mile, one owner, clean Carfax. Still has some balance of the manufacturer's warranty. It's in billet silver. The S model does give you some nice appointments and some interior and exterior embellishments, starting with the smoked lens, as you can see there in the front. Also the high intensity headlamps that just shut off. You got the nice redesigned Chrysler 200 grille there, lower fascia valiance, all blacked out. You got a nice black smoked left headlamp here also. Continue around to the side. You get unique wheels here on the S model. Now this one does have some scuffing and some curb rash around the edge, as you can see. Hit the curb there a couple of times and scraped some of the finish, but it does have a nice resurfaced rotor there, as you can see, a nice thick brake pad. Tires here about 4 or 5/32, so still about double the state minimums. Get a year or so out of those tires yet. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. So we look in through the side here. You can see the blue bolsters on this gray leather seat, and you can see the S embroidery. There's a unique option also with the S package. See two bucket seats, full console that flows in between, and you kind of have this bluish kind of look here that runs throughout the door panels and that center dash section. Now as we get to the back again, you'll see your appointments here. They're consistent throughout. Really a good looking and two-tone interior there. Very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room for your front and rear occupants of this five passenger mid-size sedan vehicle. You can see the Kumho tires that match the front, about the same 5/32 of tread. Nice resurfaced rotor. No scuffing or scraping on this wheel at all. It's nice and clean. Continue around to the back. On the back here, looks like we do have a backup camera, as you can see there. We also have an automatic trunk release. I'll pop that for you so you can see nice big trunk area there. Also 60/40 fold down. If you need some more room, you can fold those rear seats down. Your full-size spare and jack tools are located right underneath there as well. Continue the tour around to the side. Again, I'll just show you these wheels and tires, matching Kumho tires. A little bit of scuff and abrasion on this wheel as well, as you can see around the outer edge there. About the same 5/32 of tread. Looking through the back here. Very clean vehicle. No rips, tears, or stains. Continue to the front. See, you have full power seat on this driver's side, unlike the passenger. And again, just give you a shot of what that looks like there. Now, just want to continue the tour and go over some of the options, let you know what it's like to be behind the wheel. Well, we only have one key to this vehicle. We'll get another one before we sell it. But I also want to show you the key fob itself. There you see it's proximity key, push button start. You do have your power trunk lock there as well. Now, here's where your locks, your mirrors and your window switches are. Let's go ahead and climb into the vehicle. And as you can see, one owner, clean Carfax. We always have the auto history on the dash of all of our cars. Our pricing is always displayed right in the window, as you can see there. So we try to be very upfront in all of our display of vehicle information. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put my foot on the brake, start the car up. See a good looking dash, looks real cool. On the S model, there you see the 33,496 miles. Continue the tour. There's your fog lights, automatic headlamp control, interiors dimmer switch, and your cluster dimmer switch. It's a trunk for your button for your power trunk release. We got a stem to the left, which is your high beams and turn signals. Got a stem to your right, intermittent wiper washers. Control pad here with a confirmation button in the middle for your customizable dash. See tire pressure displays, digital speedometer, audio controls, different tripometers, instant fuel economy. All that is controlled through there. We got your Bluetooth buttons or hands-free cell below that. Cruise control to the right of that. Now this is standard AM/FM satellite radio. We also have the ability to connect different media devices through USB or audio pre-out. We also have your ability to pair your phone, obviously. We got a little compass there that they have. We have some There's your climate controls and your different settings for your defrost, and then we have some more options down there. We got your analog dials for both your radio and your climate control below that. Got your rotator here for your shifter. Also this ability for sport shift, as you can see, designated by that S, where you could use your paddle shifters, right paddle to upshift, left paddle to downshift. Got an electronic parking brake here. We got a slidable cup holder in that cool down below. Nice big well. There's 12-volt power supply, audio pre-out, and your USB. You just slide that back and it covers it all up. And then you got your cup holders, and then you got your full console down here for even more cargo area. LED map lights up above. No roof on this model. Now let's go ahead and pop the hood here. Give all your motor heads a look underneath the hood at the engine compartment. There you see 2.4 liter inline 4-cylinder normally aspirated engine, very clean. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, quite quiet, no corrosion on the battery terminals, looks like new, very well maintained. Excuse me. Let's go ahead and shut this car off. We'll get into the next portion of the video. This next part really, I think, differentiates us in a lot of ways. Not only are we completely upfront in the mechanical conditioning, like I explained with our used car inspection process, but also in the cosmetic condition. My job here is to be your eyes and ears, go around this vehicle, show you any marks or scrapes, dents, things that may be on it. I did notice a few as I went around the first time, so let's start the tour. As you can probably see, we got a fairly significant dent there on that body line. No paint damage, but we do have a dent right there on that fender. It should be easy to be picked up there on the camera. See if we have any chips or scrapes to go along with that. Seems pretty good. We got a couple little scratches there. Couple little chips there on that door. Couple there also. Got a dent also on this door. I don't know if I can catch the light. So the fender has one and the door has one. Little half moon scrape there on that quarter panel. A little chip right there. Fascia looks okay, other than they've touched up a scratch here. Back, just a couple little chips. No dents or scrapes really on the back of that. A couple little stone chips down here on that part of the fascia. See there? Got another dent right here. I don't know, that one's kind of small. I don't know if I'll be able to catch it in the light, but another dent on that quarter panel. Got a couple dents on the roof here. 1 and 2. Door looks okay. A couple little chips down here. Door looks okay there. This door looks all right also. Little chip there on the fender. Couple little scrapes and chips there on the front of the fender. A little bit of bug damage and some chips across the front here. To be expected. Hard not to get that at the aerodynamic nose down kind of features of these vehicles, but just pan around, a little bit of chips, bug damage. Got a couple little chips across the front of this hood as well. Then we got a dent right on the front face of this and some scrapes. We also got another dent right there. There's a couple little dents on that hood, a few chips across the top. So it's got a couple little marks on it. It's not perfect, but nothing too hateful, handful of dents and scratches. It is still covered under the remainder of Chrysler's comprehensive and powertrain warranty, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. If you're interested, give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. Appreciate your time watching this video. Hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.